Hey guys, welcome back to the Roman House Show, and today we are going to do the Akinator game to do like different characters to see if the Akinator can read our minds. I know, it's going to be mind-blowing. Make sure to leave a like on this video, and let's get right into it. So first we're going to try Poppy Playtime characters. First, we're going to try Boogie Bot from Poppy Playtime Chapter 3. Okay, so if we go to characters, here's the first question coming up. Alright, right here. It's loading. Is your character real? Now, BoogieBot is from a video game, so no, he is not. Does he have a human head? No, he does not. He has a robot head.
Hey, Roman, what's up, bro?
Okay. Is your character originally from a video game? Yes, he's from Poppy Playtime.
Poppy Playtime. You could hear us.
He can. Is your character from a horror game? Yes, he's from Poppy Playtime. Is your character associated with Five Nights at Freddy's? No. Is your character a girl? I don't think BoogieBot is a girl, so let's say probably not. Does your character have animal ears? Now, I've never seen BoogieBot have any ears, so I'm just going to go with no. Is your character fluffy? He's thinking of like Huggy Wuggy, so no. Is your character a boy? I'm pretty sure BoogieBot is a boy, so let's go. Oh, he's thinking of Daddy Longlegs, so... No, it's not. Oh, he's thinking of Baby Longlegs now, so it's not. Alright. Have a robotic arm. Now, he is a robot, but if we say yes, he's going to go with like the prototype.
Yeah.
So I'm going to say no, although he does have is your character from Poppy Playtime? Yes, he is. Links with spiders.
No.
Now, no, he's not a spider.
But you made up the boogie.
Is your character a dinosaur? No, he is not a dinosaur.
It's not wrong.
Pick up the trash can. Is your character a spider? No. Oh, we're tricking him. Your character black. Now he's got some black spots. He's got some black spots on him, but probably not. Just not fully black. He's mostly green. Yo, I think we stumped the Akinator already. Is your character yellow? Okay, he's thinking of like cat.
I'm boogieing.
No.
Boogie.
Does your character have fur? No. Only 3 teeth.
Hey, Roman,
now,
guess what? I'm a mad scientist.
I am
a mad scientist.
Well, she's dressing up as
no.
I don't even know if BoogieBot has any teeth, so I'm just going to say no.
I'm making a magic pill.
A magic pill, okay. Have robotic parts. Well, yes, but he's in the... Oh. Alright, he's caught up to us. Oh, he's going to get it, like right here. Okay, no, why is he in a band of 4 members? Okay. Oh, no. He's going to get it right here. Are you serious? He got it. He got BoogieBot.
Oh, I know which one. We should do Cat B.
Next, we're going to do Cat B. Okay, Cat B from Chapter 1 and Chapter 3. And Chapter 1 is the Make a Friend machine. Alright, so the first question.
Oh, Luigi's crying.
Is your character real? So, no, it's from a video game, so no. Does your character have a human head? Now, no.
Wait.
Cappy does not have a human head. No. Originally from a video game, yes. From a horror game, yes. Is your character associated with Five Nights at Freddy's? No.
No. I love Five Nights at Freddy's.
Is your character a girl? We don't know. We literally don't know. Is your character a cat? Uh-oh, yes. Related to Candy. I was thinking of Candy Cat, so no. Oh, no. With bees? Yo, he's already caught up to us. Oh, he's going to get it right here. Are you serious? He got it. Ah, yes. Alright. So the next one we're going to do is Mommy Longlegs. Let's see if he can guess this.
It's from Poppy.
And in the end, we have a secret character that I think we might stump the Akinator.
And then we're also gonna do a secret Roman L video at the end.
Yes. All right. It's with a very secret character that the Akinator won't guess. All right. Is your character real? So no.
It's a secret video.
Who's our character again?
Our character is Mommy Longlegs.
Mommy Longlegs. So no, she does not have a human head. No. Yes, she's from a video game. From a horror game. Yes, she's from Poppy Playtime. No, not with Five Nights at Freddy's. It's your character a girl. Mommy Longlegs is a girl, so yes.
Yes, she was also a human.
Uh-oh. Don't worry, she's still. The Akinator might think it's still like
Kissing
cats
Missy.
and icy. All right.
Stop it, Justin.
Is your character linked with spiders? Uh-oh, yes. Is your character fluffy? No.
No.
He thinks it's Kissy Missy.
Are
Are
you
you serious? He
serious?
got it. Ah! Alright, here's our fourth character. We're doing 5. Our next character is going to be...
Metal Sonic.
No, Huggy Wuggy. So we're going to do Huggy Wuggy next. This might be hard for him. Alright, let's see if we can guess this. Is your character real? Is it real? No. What was I thinking? Have a human head? No, he has a little fluffy head.
Wait, who are we doing?
Huggy Wuggy.
Oh, yeah.
From a video game. Yes, he's from a horror game as well. Chapter 1.
I gotta go get my science.
Alright.
Stuff.
Is he from
I got
Five
my
Nights at
science
Freddy's?
Nope.
No. So we're gonna just... Is your character a girl? Now, no, Huggy is not a girl. Is your character skin blue? Uh-oh.
What?
Uh-oh, he's gonna get it. Yo, I knew it. He's gonna get it right here. Okay. Oh, yes, he does. Oh, he's gonna get it. Oh, he's definitely... Oh, no. Yo, how's he not got it yet? I would have just... He's gonna get it. He got it! No way! Alright.
Oh, I know who.
And here is the final secret character. We are going to do Sonic.exe. Is he going to be able to guess this or not? Let's see. Sonic.exe. So, is he real? No, Sonic.exe is not real. Have a human head. Alright. Does your character have a human head? No. He's from a video game. He is actually, I think he might be in Sonic Forces. I don't know. I'm just going to say yes. Is he from a horror game? I'm going to say, I don't even really even know. No, he's not with Five Nights at Freddy's. His character a boy. Yes, Sonic's a boy. Skin blue. Okay, yes, his skin is blue. His character fluffy. I don't even really know. He is a hedgehog, and they're not fluffy. They're spiky. So I'm going to say, I don't know, really. Is your character from a comic book? Now, probably not. I've never seen any. Okay, yes, he is. Oh, he's going to get it. I think so. I'm going to say probably. From the Sonic X series. I literally don't know. Have green skin. Okay. No. Is your character scary? Oh, he's very scary. From Sonic Boom. Now, I've never even played that game, so I don't even know. Does your character glow? No, he's like all dark and scary. I think, should that count? That's Sonic.exe, but, I think we might have stumped him. I think that should count. Alright, well, guys, thank you so much for watching. We'll all see you again soon. And that was the secret video at the end. It was Sonic.exe. He basically got it. So, we'll make another video like this soon. I'll see you again soon. Bye. Love you. Bye.